Hello, dear students. You've already watched the short video I made, The Magical Christmas Doll. Do you like it? I like it. This video is just a small demonstrations and I hope it can spark your imaginations. Before Christmas, I'm planning to guide you to create your own short story. I hope it's interesting and meaningful. And then I will teach you how to use AI to design your own characters and scenes. And then you will enjoy each other's work. And then vote for your favorite story. The first place, I will turn the story into a short video. And the second place, I will make it into an ebook. The third place, I will create a poster based on the story. Sorry that I cannot make every story into video because I really don't have enough time. And it still takes a lot of effort to make it. Hope in the future it will become easier and I have more time. Maybe after I retired. Okay, this is also my Christmas gift for you. I hope that while having fun, you not only practice the language, but also improve your storytelling and creative thinking skills and learn how to use AI to create your own product. Okay, let's have fun together. Bye.